Hi my dear beauties, this is Rosni. Welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. Welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I am going to show you instant skin lightening yogurt facial. This facial not only brighten the skin instantly, it's very healing as well as. Due to overuse of commercial products, our skin gets damaged, loses the skin retain of moisture, skin gets pimple, rashes, acne, pigmentation. No need to worry. From today we will use only homemade product. Yes, today I will use yogurt. You know, yogurt has lot of benefits, which is removes dark spot, blemishes, suntan, treat acne, control breakouts, moisture the skin. It's too much beneficial for our skin. Use it every day. So let's start, and thanks a lot those who are viewing my video first. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates, because you know I will share more attractive video with you all. To make sure subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates, and also watch the video till the end. So let's start. Today I will show you the yogurt facial in 3 steps. First I will do face cleansing scrubber. For that I have taken yogurt. If it is homemade curd, then it would prove really beneficial for skin and quickly brighten the skin. Next I have taken rice flour. And lastly I have taken honey. Then mix them well. So finally scrubber is ready. Next, for skin lightening face massage cream, I have taken curd, cucumber and carrot. Now I will peel them off and make the juice of them. So finally face massage cream is ready. Next, for making face pack, I have taken honey, soaked lentil অর্থাৎ মুসুর ডাল. I have soaked it 2 hours ago. Now I will make it into a paste. See this. See how I am doing it. Lastly, I will mix little bit of turmeric. Then mix them well. Face pack is ready. So finally skin lightening face scrubber, skin brightening face massage cream and face pack ready. So let's apply it. Scrub it for 5 minutes, then wash away with normal water. Scrubber improves skin tone and texture every day. Dead skin cells, dirt and oil build up on the surface of your skin, which can leave it feeling and looking dull and dry. It unclogs pores. It helps your skin care absorb faster, improves blood circulation. Next I will do face massage. Massage it for 5 minutes, then wash away with normal water. Facial massage helps promote healthy skin while relaxing your facial muscles. It has a relaxing and rejuvenating effect, helping you look and feel better, improves blood circulation, highly glowing the skin. It's too much beneficial for face. Next I will use face pack. Leave it for 20 minutes, then wash away with normal water. Yogurt is very much beneficial for our face. It brightens skin, UV ray protection, increased elasticity, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, fights acne, removes suntan. It very much beneficial for our face. See my face. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you also like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Because you know I'll share more attractive video with you all. To make sure subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. And please check my description box. Other link of my social handles and other video links are given there. Please check them out. Do try this remedy at your home. Please share your feedback and comment me. And honest request to you all, please share it with your friends. Always be well. Take care. Bye.